My brother. Ah. I see accidents. Accident is written all over you. Kai!
Holy Ghost. Who you be? What be the meaning of this now? Madam, wait. Madam. What do you all this?
Speak, Lord. Speak, Lord. I'm hearing you. Okay. Eh? No, father, speak louder. Oh. God just tell me something now. He said you should use this your two legs to trek. May you use this your leg trek. Say anything will make you enter transport fair. You enter transport, it can't be the fair. You are gone. Now your payment,
Holy Ghost fire.
You will just melt and die. Nothing they tell me say accident will just happen, you just die. So now what you God they tell me now say you should trek. God know why you may you fall for accident, may you be victim of accident. Speak Lord, that's why I'm hearing you. So now he said I should tell you, yes, Father. Say when you bring that money, when you said do your transport fare, just bring it. Use it to sow a seed into a woman of God's life. Make her use and pray for you. Just submit it into my hands. Jehovah Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Where the guy wear the body? Brother, you don't even wait for this thing, the message to drop. You know they run. That's how they do.
Judy, on your water, a log, rat poison manufacturer. Aboney Chaloko, keep your environment clean. You go see positive result of Judy's rat poison and the mixture of water. Judy, if I play my games, well. By then nobody go fit intimidate me. If I play my games, well, I say hustler. Judith,
the rappers is corporate arrest, they do kuku for your house. I don't come buy their medicine. This medicine no dey show mercy to rats. He dey kill am. My fine customer. I know the one where you always buy. Yeah, okay. You know they show corporate mercy. You know they show rats mercy. Now no mercy. Now we dey sell. Put an end to it. Cockroach dey enter your soup. I don't know rat poison dey here. Baby lizard on our mountain contain our living room. I dey for you. Mama, auntie, you don't come. I know the one where you do that. Remember as you dey use am. Rat poison.
Now hustle I be. Now my own I dey find. I want better my life. Come rain, come sun.
Ekene, what is the meaning of this one now? Is it everybody that signals you to stop that you stop and pick up?
It be like say you dey mad. Now who you dey talk to?
Just look at the dead grass. She even stinks.
Now you dey stink. You think I be you when you don't know shit? When they walk out from one hotel to another when no get work? You think I be you? I get wetin I dey do for a living. You dey make mouth. You no get money. You forgot tata keke or even buy your own car. You enter public motor. You want balance. Odogu. Keke man abeg dey move. If she no want, make she come down. Make she dey go.
Please.
They go. I talk and say no, she walk you go. Go do your runs. Go do runs when okay they go. I can even do conductor for you. You go enter keke.
My game. Obanyeli be fair.
Baba, how you dey?
I'm good, my daughter.
Happiness, one kid daughter of Zion.
My dear, I don't need to ask you how is business, but your face tells it all.
Mama, if you see the way I take sell market to the be like magic. Everybody just dey rush me. You know say this my rat poison, evidence choke. Hey, go log we. All the people wey no fit do for night because of rats, all of them don dey relax, dey enjoy life.
Please, my daughter, you will not
People wey cockroach dey enter inside their soup.
all of them
Dey enjoy life.
Oh!
So, when you buy, you go tell your neighbor. As I even this one wey I take do decoration, the one buy as I know they sell am. Now this one be my signpost. I know they sell and give. See now, basket empty. You need to shh. I add money. Shh. Eh?
Hey, Obinigwe, thank you. Thank you. Glory be to God, my daughter. I've made lunch. Go in, take your bath. You eat and rest. Everybody go for today. You have tried.
Go in, eat, shower. Mama, you sometimes just dey talk to me like say I be small pikin. I be old woman, no.
Or whatever say for. Okwanka. Even if you marry today, become a grandma, you still my little baby angel. Eh? It's only you. No. No.
Thank you, Mama.
No.
I think I put my evidence somewhere.
That's the one here about in
I
hand.
just hang am here. All that dry one.
Easy, easy.
That driver.
You're welcome.
The best rat poison seller in the world.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey! No.
Thank you, Mama.
Eat!
I will. God bless you, Mama.
Oh, oh! No! Hey!
See, guy, I don't like saying they turned down my proposal, and I really love that girl.
You love her? I be you just want to have sex with her.
Oh, shut up. You told me I just want to have sex with her. Okay, won't you love someone before you be sexually attracted to them?
Now that's the same thing I'm talking about. You just want to have sex with her now.
But whatever. You see, I will do everything possible to get that girl. Not like she's in a relationship. She's single and still proud like that. Like I don't get it.
See, maybe you have to try harder, or better still, try elsewhere.
Never. Okay? See that girl? I don't get unfinished.
Come, where they go?
You see that girl?
Lover boy.
My brother. I see accidents. Accident is written all over you. Kai!
Holy good. Who you be waiting me the beginning of this process now? Madam, wait. Madam. What do you all this?
Speak, Lord. Speak, Lord, I'm hearing you. Okay. Eh? No, brother, speak louder. Oh! God just tell me something now. He said you should use this your two legs to trek. May you use this your leg trek. Say anything will make you enter transport fare. You enter transport, you can't be the fare. You are gone. Now your spend your
Holy Ghost fire.
You will just melt and die. Nothing they tell me say accident will just happen, you just die. So now what you God they tell me now say you should trek. God know why you may you fall for accident. May you be victim of accident. Speak, Lord. That's right. I'm hearing you. So now, he said I should tell you, yes, Father. Say when you bring that money, when you said do your transport fare, just bring it. Use it to sow a seed into a woman of God's life. Make her use and pray for you. Just submit it into my hands. Jehovah, Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Where the guy where the God? Brother, you don't even wait for this thing, the message to drop. You just dey run. That's how they do.
Na so I for take die. Ha! So that woman na better prophetess. Ha! Thank God. Ha! Jesus Christ.
Mama, I don't dey reason this thing, but finally I don't decide to tell you the thing.
Thank God you have started thinking about it.
Thinking about what?
Marriage, of course.
Mama, you too dey kill person moral, Makachi. They go dey talk something wey dey important, you go from 1,000, zero my moral to zero. Why na? Wetin be marriage? Na marriage I dey talk as I dey like this. They talk business, they talk marriage.
But Judith, you know that someday you will get married and start raising your own family.
You see that English where you speak? Now there you suppose know the truth. Someday. That someday never reach now. So as he never reach, man, I no do business. Mama, beg, I want to tell you something. You see this my rat poison business why they do like this? You know, say people like me, they think they go for me. Where? So I don't think if I begin to produce my own by myself, I go make plenty gain. Pass as I dey make now. What do you think?
My dear, it is not a nice idea at all. How do you do it? You have no knowledge whatsoever on how to start, on how to do it.
Why I can't use smartphone? No, why I get data for my phone? If no be to take go YouTube, go Google some important thing. Just the only thing I go type now, how to make rat poison. Okwagun. They go bring out, even you go say rat poison recipe. Google go give you. So wetin remain again? See, this your daughter. Now I smart well. I smart. The people where they mix rat poison, they don't get 20 heads. This life, anything where you shook hand inside, you shook your eye, you concentrate, you go get them.
Are you sure?
So they discourage me, Mama. Yes.
I can see you have made up your mind. I will support you.
Now this kind of thing is supposed to stop, Mama. Don't worry yourself. You see, when I begin the manufacture, I come blow. Oh, Jesus. The kind of enjoyment where you go enjoy, I go build house for you. Carry you go, Budo you go.
House.
I go pamper you, no worry.
Don't really know what you want me to do for you to know that I genuinely care for you.
Cut off your heads and give to me.
You are funny. You know, I really love you. I wish you can just open up my heart and see how genuinely I care for you.
Well, I believed you. I will give you a chance.
William?
Yes.
See, I promise I will not break your heart. I will love you with all my heart, I promise you.
You are a liar. Liar. You are a very big liar. Separate!
You know who? You are a bloody liar. I see, you are a liar. Shut up your mouth.
I hear heartbreak. This boy wants to use you and dump you. No, swear. He wants to use you and dump you. What? Don't know.
But what was the enough for this rubbish? Are you okay?
Shut up your mouth, Ewu. I know that you will say this rubbish. Idiot. No, swear that you do not want to. In short, why is it that every time Umenwa is to stay one place, always looking for where to penetrate? He wants to use you. No, don't touch that thing. You don't know the anointing that this thing carry. How can you touch it? You canna man. Oh Lord, forgive me. Don't pick it anyhow. Speak Lord. This boy is a ritualist. This boy wants to use it for ritual. And you know the kind of ritual he wants to use it for? Child and baby rituals. All those rituals that they will use you, even you've been used like 74 times. The one I'm seeing, you almost all the men you've been sleeping with, they've used you. So you don't even have anything to gain from her. Because she's already being used. But you that want to use her, you yourself have been used. So let me tell you, run for your life, oh. I'm telling you now, he wants to use you and dump you. Run for your life. Run. Please, you don't see that I want to use myself. Eventually, when I want to use myself, that's where you just came. In a Chunwanyi. Arabanko.
Oh, Mona Lisa.
Baby.
How are you?
You back? Look, oh my darling. How was today? What did you buy for me?
Oh, first of all, You need to get me food. I need something to eat. I'm very famished.
I don't understand. I just asked you what you got for me and you're asking if I cooked. Just look at me. Do I look like a chef to you? If you need a chef, you know where to get one. Please.
Mona Lisa, I don't get you. I mean, you fired our chef. I hope you remember that. So you should be the one cooking and...
Listen, it's too early to nag. You just came back and you're about nagging. Listen, let me tell you. I am not ready to do any wifely duties until we are married.
Then marry me.
Here you go again. Marriage, marriage, marriage. Are you not tired? Please excuse me.
You dare not look out for me. You dare not look out for me. Mona Lisa, what is wrong with you? Why do you always flare up whenever I raise this marriage topic?
Why? Because I'm not ready to get married yet.
Why? No, I want to know why you are not ready for marriage. Mona Lisa, we have been together for the past 2 years. Tell me, what best of mine am I not doing? I bought you the car of your choice. I opened a boutique for you. What on earth have I not done for you? Just one thing I asked for you to marry me. Is that much?
Stop it, stop it! Stop pressuring me, Frederick! Listen, I am not ready to get married and start bringing kids that will share the love you have for me. I am not ready for that. Baby, we're madly in love with each other. I don't want to share the love you have for me with anybody.
Stop that! Stop that! Why will you always be telling me something like this? Oh, Frederick. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for yelling at you. But listen, I love you so much. All I ask for is for you to marry me. Nothing will ever depreciate my love for you. Not even our children. See, babe, I promise you, when the kids come, I will love you and them equally. Just say yes to me.
No!
God, do you know that the Saint Alita agreed for me?
Eh? There, you should be happy now. That is what you always wanted. Why are you not looking...
You not understand. One Momofe prophetess came and tell her that I wanted to use her, and I wanted her to sleep with and dump after her. I was like, she got me angry and left.
That is not a fake prophetess, you. Because that is what you always wanted to do with her now. Where is this prophetess? So that she can prophesy over my life.
It's like you are crazy. She even went as far as telling her that I want to use her for ritual. Just imagine.
Hey! So, you are a ritualist.
You are mad. Waka.
Hey! No use me for money ritual.
Guy, if I blow you, what did they worry you say?
See this right? So you are a ritualist.
See, guys, no, they go back. I don't tell.
No. What did you do? This guy. I don't fear. In fact, me, I don't follow again. Why follow this guy?
Wait, they go your house. I don't go.
Who packed this nonsense for you? They don't really pack for you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Nah, what's in there good about this afternoon? For this village, me, a homie, a very big guy. You don't know, they chase you up and down. You want to make me and you, they dance at one teller. You know I enjoy waiting girls of this town, they enjoy. Even widows, they enjoy. You know why I enjoy? Yeah? As you small like this, carry you for hand, tap, 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 you go like I don't follow you to talk. I don't invite you for my romantic pleasure. Come make me dance at one teller, you do it here.
Please, sir. I don't need problem. I am not interested.
So Nami can they give problem, Abi?
No, I just want to go home.
Abi troublemaker. You just want to go.
Please, sir, please.
You go submit her. You go submit her.
No, I am not interested, please.
You're not interested.
Just allow me to go home, please. Please.
Don't talk, this fella at the jump. Come on, come here. Don't talk, the jump. Can't you want to give up free? Why did I make your name? Come on, come on, from Gangwa. The move, wait. Stand still. Come on. Come on. You go keep quiet. You go keep. Come on. You go keep quiet. You know your food is ready.
Nah, boss, guy, you too much. I swear I salute you. Guy, Baba, you too much. See how you just bundle this girl. You don't even consider the fact, say, she never do this thing before. You just jack her. They pound her like this, like, God.
Enter me. See, they don't, no be your fault. Now that bunny fault. Imagine say wetin Bros J give you for free land. The one use and they do a cookie. Kellogg say no be me. My abasi. I for knock you waiting no good. You don't know waiting. That time we can't enjoy the panning now. My John Thomas come board. You remain small. For don't tell you say no boy. After make I take one match now.
Like they mad. Like something they worry you for her. You don't crash.
But you don't. My John Thomas no go school.
I go wear you 500.
Abi.
What they worry you? Food right there my table. Now I want come jiggle with me. You don't pass your boundary. I go back you one day.
Man, Snowboy, see, on how you be Snowboy, you know say all of us we see the return. Me I know what they like.
See, make I play you. You say for this community, anything what you want, you get.
And now your
umbrella they cover you. You hear me so?
No man force.
Anything. They be like point and kill.
I go lie for you.
They be like she goats.
I go lie for you.
Both young and old. Now widows now they like
you know this matter.
They hear me so? Anything what you want, they be like goats. Point and kill. Anyone where you point, they go roast them for you. You go chawawa. You hear me so? See, that is something, you know. As you do like this, anything where you point, now your own.
Hey! But you don't know what you saw. See that bunny with your chop like this, my papa see that bunny being the enter my ring day. I got the reason I want to arrange that bunny mataya. You don't have it. You don't have it.
You still a cup like that.
You don't know be saying like that.
I go change them for you.
I bet you don't.
I go really change them for you.
I bet you don't. But you don't based on IP.
Man, I don't like give you, Baba. I don't go like give you. You too like better thing.
You see this one?
Chai!
Over tight the warrior.
Abi.
I don't mind the blood.
I
don't mind the blood when they gush out, brother. Brotherly. No God, yeah, no God. If you no go,
that pass expensive. I don't say you know push everything go inside.
No God, after you. So I don't for this, but I don't go obtain the robbers from the provision shop.
My guy.
I don't follow you talk, you don't look the other.
You don't say we don't lap that man, you hear me, we don't lap that bunny. So based on she say make we lap back 00 hour. Understand? She say she need to 2 day guard like this. So when I be, we go still, you hear me?
He can't give you same or to make you the jazz.
Lap back 00 hour.
Die. Come.
But no man.
No, they prove it.
Don't touch my robbers.
You don't. That's that one go down our pocket today.
What happened to you?
Mama!
Talk to me. What happened? What is it? Why are you crying?
Mama was raped.
Hey!
What? No! Hey! He took me into this bush and had his way on me.
Hey! Someone from this village has the audacity to rape my own daughter. One of us must die today. Ngwa, take me to the bastard. Oh yeah.
Mama is this way.
I don't dare you now the way it says. Yeah? Carry the girl come now.
Mama, look at him there. He's the one. Yes, he's the one.
You did not tell me his almighty face.
Yes, na Mama is the one now.
Wait till they stop for you.
Good afternoon, sir.
I ask you where to the son. They say, what they saw for you now?
This is my daughter, Sandra. She is my only child. And the only family I have on this earth. I am a poor widow, trying to make ends meet. You raped her. Not minding the fact that she was still a virgin.
Madam, they package your words now. You shouldn't be raped her, not minding she's a virgin. Now she raped me, not you raped. Why they cry like say now today my papa died?
You would have mercy. She's still a child. Look at what you have done to her.
Madam, you should have said this one now, small picking. What thing she carry no be that for small picking no they carry that kind of thing. No. You know if you happy say my rod enter you, they want yourself. Why they do? You don't calm down. I'll wash you.
It shall never be well with you. One day you will meet your match, demon.
I dey chop widow. That's say me na widow. Wow.
What you did to my child, you will receive it. It shall never be well with you.
You don't come up for you. When they worry you, and they talk, you they follow talk again. They caress.
Demon! You are a demon.
It shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you. One day you will meet your end. God will judge you. You will meet your end one day.
I thought I go fire all of them.
God will judge you.
If I catch you again, I will give you snake in the monkey chapel. Come on.
We will surely meet his end one day.
What is happening to my shop? See how my shop is very dry. There is nothing in my shop. What am I even selling here? What kind of padlock is this? Madam, what is this? Madam, my business is not going well. My business is not going well. Look, everywhere is just dry. I don't even know what I'm selling. Hey! Ah! Open your hands. Open your hands. Your akaraka need to be searched. What did I say? Your akaraka, which is your destiny, it needs to be shasha. That is, it needs to be washed. I see open doors. Ah, yes. Speak. Yeah, Jehovah, speak. Hey, I see open doors. I see open doors. I see celebration. Doors is about to open. People are bringing their wealth to your doorstep now. Money is coming to this your shop. Ah! Stand up and dance for God. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up and dance for the one that answers prayer. Sister, stand up now. Stand up and you can see the power of the Most High. The spirit of success is taking away. Oba, Sarah, been checking your waist. Sarah, are you not seeing the way my waist is going? Raise your leg, do like so God says you sow a seed, a provocative seed. Sow a seed, move, sister, do something. Sow a seed that will change the Lord. Ọba mi ra bàbá kan ọba ọba sẹrẹrẹ sẹrẹrẹ Sister, what is this? How much seed is this one?
That's 5,000.
5,000. Ah, sister. Is Akuku drawing your hand? Eh? Why would you be bringing this kind of seed? Is this the type of seed you want to use to provoke?
Madam, I haven't even sold a pin since morning.
You have not sold a pin?
This is my last money I gave you.
Okay, this is like nothing inside there again.
I don't have anything. You can go and search.
You should not leave anything.
I don't have anything inside. This is my last money.
I had just come this side, the dancing and becoming. The dancing and becoming. Shaking your waist. Baby, shake your waist. Bishop, any spirit where they bishop, outside, go out. Let good spirits. Tell me, what did I say? Any bad spirit where they bishop, outside. Amen. Good spirits. Tell me. Amen. They dance, and they talk and they dance. They dance. Any bad spirit in bishop. Outside, you're not shaking your waist. Okay. If you shake your waist, the spirit gonna go. I shake that spirit out. If you want the spirit to go, shake it. Amen. Shake it. Hey! Shake it.
Now hustle I be. Now my own I define. I want better my life. Oh. Come rain, come sunshine. I must make it. Maka wata joba keyo bula joma. If I play my games, well, by then nobody go fit intimidate me. If I play my games, well, I say hustler,
hey, no be small problem. Jehovah. Because all this thing want that, okay, you go the family problem we are. Come on for here. Yeah, oh. Hey. Oh, God, Jesus. Hey. See me, the professor. This prophetess work will be smart. Now, what person they chop at least? Bad, I see 5,000 today. At least I could use that one whole body.
If rats they do we want for your house, I dey for you. If cockroach they dig body like they put for your house, I dey for you. If all these world lizards they do we want for your house, I dey for you. Rat poison.
You know they for me.
Swear, came for why you dey hold me? Why they do you? Why they stop me? As you know one find something to do for a living. You know gonna allow me my go hustle. You know gonna allow me my hustle.
Like I tell you, even the rat poison where you they sell, those rats where they want kill, still they respect me. They see they cut cap for me. You know, normal self, I don't go allow you to sell this thing because you be like say, now my friends you just they kill since that they allow you.
Yeah, Oga, nothing concern me and you with your relationship with rats or other animal. That thing no be my business. I beg no verse, wait till you stop me for I get time. Why they do better thing? No be today here they miss ya.
This guy fine. Listen, accept me. Just say yes to me. I swear to I'll go import new barrel. Chala. The one that has handle. Yeah? Man.
I pour spit under your love. See that your cheap love where be saying a barrel you dey offer. Your mates they carry women, they travel go London, go America. Your mates their love, what their love can do is to buy car. Can give a barrel now they promise me. Barrel ba wagon. As this rat dry like this, it better pass you. I go carry one like this, wear am suits, carry and go church, go say I do. Instead of to marry useless guy like you.
Yeah?
You hear wetin I talk? I say instead of me to marry you, I go marry one of my dead rats. You know they hear? Him can tell now. You want buy me barrel? Now so you want take love me. I beg avoid me. Avoid me. Nothing concern me and you with love for this village. I no go feel love you till I die. No verse. But might change direction. Buy your rat poison.
I want change your life.
Hey, your house, they promise.
I want change your life. No man go feel marry you with this rat poison where you dey sell. Don't let me like you. Don't let me go feel marry you. Don't let me go feel marry you. Woman dey sell rat poison. Don't let me. I don't see pepper for this village. I don't see pepper.
Baby. Why the long face?
What do you do for you?
Is it not a crime for me to visit my boyfriend?
It's an organic. Come here. Stand for here. Stand for here. Stand for here. Whatever I saw. See, make am dey clear to you. You see, when I date you, when I've been there with you, I never get sense that time. You hear me so? I never get sense because if I get sense, I don't go carry you do anything for this life. So you be ex, dead there. You be a shower akuna, dead there.
Baby, I'm sorry. Besides, everyone in this village know that you sleep around with every girl, or the one that accepts your demands or not. I just cheated on you once, and you can't even forgive me. Or are you furious because of that useless girl, Judith?
Listen to me. Each time you're talking to me, do not mention the name Judith. You hear me? If I hit you, I will strangle you. I will strangle you. Get out of this.
Where is that useless granddaughter of yours?
What is the problem? How can you barge into my compound like that?
You useless granddaughter is the problem.
Did you watch your mouth? You don't have to come into my compound and rain insult on my daughter, Judith.
If I insult her, what will you do? Tell me, what will you do? Like grandmother, like granddaughter. Now listen to me. Tell that useless granddaughter of yours to stay away from my man, Festus. Unless you regret it. What I'll do to her, she'll never forget it in her life.
So this is all about man. Ndudi, this is all about man. It is shameless for you to fight your fellow woman because of a man. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
So you're calling me shameless? Wait, you're not calling me shameless?
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
And I'll show you how what it is to be shameless. Stupid old woman. Useless.
Ndudi.
You and your grandfather, both of you are useless and shameless. Rubbish.
Ndudi. Hey! Judith! Judith, where are you? Hey! Ndudi.
Rama, what is it? Why are you crying? Why did you scatter your drugs on the floor like this? Here's the problem. What is the problem now?
Rama,
what happened? Ndudi did what?
Ndudi barged into this compound. Ndudi barged into my compound. I asked her, she was quarreling and shouting. I asked her, what is the problem? She started raining abuses on you. She was threatening to kill you. I now challenged her. I told her that she should not talk to my granddaughter like that. Ndudi pushed me and scattered my medicine.
Now wait first, give me thing I want to understand. So Ndudi get mad, enter this place, push you, scatter medicine.
Ndudi push me. Ndudi pushed me. She pushed me.
Mama, no cry, you don't do. Don't worry. Make I carry your chair, go.
My daughter, she was threatening to kill you.
Don't worry yourself. Make I carry chair, go for you, then make you take your drugs. Come.
Okay.
You know? Baby's now. Pass. You get mine. I say pass, you want pass. I want to ask you something today. Which market you go? where you take gain mind of all the things where they sell for market, you don't buy anyone. Now moral you go buy. You buy mind to take enter my compound. Go touch my grandmother. See, make I tell you, me and you, we feel the girl issue based on girl. But picture gonna drawn a big. You know get grandmother, you know get grandfather, you don't even get respect. Now these things that they do when they carry cost, they put up upon my life. And they ask you question, why you carry your filthy, smelly hands go touch my grandma? You dey mad?
I did this. So what can you do? See, Judith, I'm not all these village people that are scared of you. And let me tell you, listen to me. If I see anything that looks like you, or you shout the name my boyfriend Festus, I will use this my 2 hands and I will pieces you.
I beg no verse, waiting be Festus, animal, place or thing. Because the biggest rat wey been they give me trouble for my house before I kill him. Now Festus be named. Waiting be Festus. So now because of man, whenever ask you will you, now it make you they come they fight me.
See, I don't tell you my own. Don't near my boyfriend Festus. Don't see.
I'll teach you a lesson. Today I'll teach you a lesson. After I deal with this finish today, you go know why they call me right voice.
Somebody help!
Today, what is that man? I try to kill you. Information. Now don't pray the Okonkwo.
I'll beat you.
Okay, get money. Now here you go.
I'll beat you.
Now when you get up,
don't leave me.
Now why you come walk relax? Judith, how could you do that? Going into a fight with her was wrong. Stuffing her with your rat poison inside her mouth is even the worst. The poison that can kill an animal can equally kill a human being. Worst. Done that to human being. Worst. Why do you want to commit murder? Which murder, Mama? I even value the life of those rats where my poison they kill past that life of a useless girl. She get respect. Picture Garanya hang on her bed. Say that girl get mind. Enter this gate. Can't touch my grandmother. No now. Can't they leave on your mwana? What did they even vex me? Be say my rat poison why I waste for her body 450 naira rat poison. And that one they vex me. Now him they vex me. That's they mad. Even if police people come here now, I go tell them say na self-defense. Yes, because she first pushed my grandmother. Okay, what if you die? That time when she push you, where they tell me? What if you hit your head for stone, you die? You not be human being. You not be human being. My daughter, what you are saying is true. But you know, if anything happens to that girl, you will spend the rest of your life. If anything had happened to my grandma, she will rot in jail too. Oh, one. In water. Oh, one. What's in my grandmother? Please, don't do that again, Biko. Let her not also do it again. Because I cannot be alive and watch somebody even finger like this on you. Unless Mama. And up and Mako for love.
This thing that you are crying is not going to help you. It's obviously doing you no good. Hey.
Juliana, my business has gotten from bad to worse. I don't even know what to do anymore. Even my husband's business is going down slowly, and we have children to cater for. I'm confused. God, I don't even know what is happening with me. I don't know what is happening with my family.
But I warned you. Don't give your money to that fake prophetess the other day. But you did. What if she's the one that collected the remaining luck that you have? Okay.
Are you here to mock me?
I'm not here to mock you. I just told you the truth. Let me be going to my shop, yeah?
Life doesn't give everything we want. Life doesn't give us everything we want.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, please. What do you want,
I'm not happy. What is the problem?
I'm okay, I'm fine. What do you want?
So you cannot remember me?
No, I don't know you. Please, who are you?
I'm that NYSC boy that used to come to your shop to ask for things on credit. And you go by your way and give me things for free with that payment.
Oh, wait. The copper that serves the government school, right?
Exactly.
You've changed. You look good.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. You know, after my NYSC, I traveled to Germany. Plus, I even built a house here in this state. And I'll be throwing a house party. So I remember you. I said, okay, I'll be needing some bags of rice and other foodstuffs that I intend of sharing that day.
Hi. Thank God for thank you for remembering me. Eh? I'm so happy. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Hey, but as you can see, I cannot be of help. I cannot sell anything to you. My shop is empty. I don't have anything. I'm so sorry.
There is no problem. So how much will it cost me to fill up your shop? There is no way I'll do transfer here.
To do what?
Transfer here.
Wait, just hold on. Let me get my pen down. Hi. Please sit down, sit. Okay, what do you want?
I'll need 40 bags of rice.
40 bags of yes, 40 bags.
And 50 vegetable oil.
Hustle I be, now my own I dey find. I want better my life, oh. Come rain, come sunshine, I must make it. Maka wata joba ke yobola joma. If I play my games, well, Obayeli be fair. By then, nobody go fit intimidate me. If I play my games, well, I say hustler, Obayeli be fair. I say hustler, where I be, I need to play my game well. If I play my games, well, Obayeli be fair. Apolo nanzo, ofuma pierem, Obayeli be fair. If I play my games, well, Obayeli be fair. Nobody fit intimidate me if my game will enter well. If I play my games, well, Obayeli be fair.
Frederick, my son. I know you're expecting me to say I'm fine, okay? But how can I be fine when you have subjected me to loneliness in this house? Eh? What don't you understand? No, what am I saying now that you don't understand? That is what I've not been saying since. Frederick, give me grandchildren now. Get married and give me grandchildren. Are my grandchildren not supposed to be running around this compound and playing at this my age? Okay, just look at Mangozi. Do you know she just got back from Omugo last week? Okay, what about Mama Obinna? You were already 2 months old before that woman got married. But see, Obinna just had a set of twins now. Frederick, what have I done to you? Eh? Eh? Yes, now. Walk. That's all you know how to do. Forgetting the most important thing of your life, which is getting married and raising up your own family. Frederick, what have I done to you? Chineke. Hello? What about your call? I will call you back. Mommy, hold on a minute, this boy.
Mama, where's your daughter?
She's the one.
Okay.
Wait, my poison no kill you. My rat poison no kill you. Still that alive. You suppose don't die dry. Check it. That was she didn't get gone so soon. Die now. You idiot. You not police.
Shut up, my friend. Young lady, you have every right to remain silent because whatever you say or do is against you in court of law. Now, move this way.
Na policeman you be.
Yes, I'm a policeman.
No, because Mama, no worry, I know. I don't. Mama, Mama, take her away. Take her away. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. Leave her. Go. Take her away. I dey go. I dey go. Why are you doing this? I met the next prison for 10 years. Nothing will happen. I don't be here. Mama, leave her. That is why you go back.
My game will enter if I play my games well. Obediently be fair, judge over in my name. If you're there in spirit, you go understand the voice of Judge over speaking through me. More than Salome, on your day so. Oh, my Judge over in my name. Show you, mama, show you, mama, show you.
I beg, man, for you back.
My brother. Hey! They just told me now that contract you want to sign, it will not work. Except you do what I say. They just told me, listen to me! Oh yeah, yes. Yes, I'm listening. They say you have to sow a seed. A seed that will pay you. Woo! My brother, something don't pay you before. Something don't pay you before. Has something paid you before? Now that kind of thing you go do now. Seed will go pay you. Seed will go pay you.
Now no hit me bello. So you don't talk finish.
I'm in the process of hearing. Your baby be this.
My baby, leave her.
Your natural baby?
Yes.
Your baby and be this? Yes. You know the baba, you know the shape of my brother, I say make you sow seed. Sow a seed to the Lord. Drop that seed. Sow a seed. You have to sow a seed that will pay you. You go sow seed that will pay you.
See, Mark, I tell you something. You hear me? This work where they do, I know on a type. I know on a type finish. It's just on a day for this community. I know on a type one by one. So when make I turn to one of those your local magas, the way they use their head that be, make me attend to, may use my own head. See, make I tell you, that street boy I be. Now one street today, you hear me? One street today, so leave all this way they go. I know anything they do.
Shut up.
No, Emmanuel they tell you that thing. Emmanuel don't know anything they tell you.
Now you now they change to dog like this. Now you just pass. You see yourself in the spiritual realm. Now dog they change you to. You be dog in the spiritual realm.
I be dog.
No they back again. We come and tell you. Sow the seeds, my brother. You know as everywhere be. Just sow the seeds.
So all these ones now say the Lord has a contract for me. No, you for say the Lord has a heaven and earth for me.
Nah, you too the verse.
Leave me. I know this way they do. I get where they go. I know this thing. All of us now one street today. Now one street today do. Let me say, I don't want thing. I forget serious issues. Because I get where you go. You just come waste my time here. What's your problem? See, take your time, oh. Take your time. I don't like all this kind. Take your time.
Come here.
Nah, see me now. You want what is this one now? You want like that by force? That by force?
Hey, no one is talking.
Which time will I come be this one, God? Eh? And like this person go suffer till make am for life. Eh? This one now, this boy don't nearly catch me. Now God save me. This also, you also no be here. No be here. I suffer how a person dey like this. Bros, good afternoon, sir. I beg you, give me one pay water, my own drink to your body. God bless you. I don't know allocate you, oh. Thank you. Just one. If you go, help me.
Life doesn't give everything we want. Life doesn't give us everything.
Oi. Good
Every day of our life is filled with lessons we are learning. Every day.
Mama, that water hot, easy. Mama, Mama. Wait, Mama. Now. Mama, you see that policeman, eh? God go punish him. That man carry the whole hunger away there in body. Whether na I don't know wetin dey pepper am. Take enter me like this. If you see the way they treat me like a thief. If I catch that police officer, that particular one, I picture him face like this. If I catch him, when he no wear uniform, when only and dey waka, when he be like normal civilian, I go give him wodo.
Please don't.
I go makachiku. See here now is swollen, Mama. Do here.
Sorry.
See. Hey,
wait,
Jesus.
Small now. This is the only way the swelling can go down.
Who did this to my baby?
Be like say you don't dey mad. You no go comot.
My pericardial cavity.
You no go comot for this place. You don't dey mad at me.
Wetin dey sup, man?
Wetin dey sup be say you go comot.
Comot go where?
You see this anger wey dey inside me. If I pour am on top of you, you no go like.
Listen, make I tell you, if to say you don't grieve for me, I mean for the press your leg like this. Mama, you dey do wonderful job. You know? Take it for you. No dey frown. You see for this community, yes, they will go fit carry this kind cross for me based on say my Matthias. My Matthias girls, oh, we go carry this cross. You suppose they happy now, they jump. Where they play, man? My baby, what's up?
Yeah, come on. Leave him.
My baby.
I go pick up for here. Come for here, you dey crazy. Pick up, sooner. Judith. That was what I Yeah, she can pepper soup. Hey! What have you done? Nothing.
Who poured you all this water?
So you get this kind of evil mind. You get this kind of evil mind. My Judith. You don't say that Judith is the only woman who I don't ever love. You carry and go lock up for police station. Come here, they ask me who dressed me with. I will kill you. Listen, if I ever see you anywhere close to me or Judith, this guy, you don't know me, I'll kill you. You don't know me too well. I'll kill you. What is today's date? Mark today's date. I will kill you. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. You don't know me. You don't. I'll kill you. Oh, Judith. My own Judith. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I've never seen Festus this angry before. All this energy he displayed just because of that useless rat poison seller.
See, Don. You know, they cap me saying that this small picking carry the play for this time. I be maybe you the big first tools again. Small boy, now you they set compass without master. What think can they happen now? Papa, on how he be, nothing be the thing. How this small picking they carry play, they carry catch for this area where we say now we man God. Papa, you know make sentences now. You know make sentences.
Man, guy, carry this girl put for her place now. I don't know why they allow me this girl to follow her like this. Can you not be so now? Do something.
So they run matter with all these girls for this community. Yeah? And I don't run matter with this very one. You supposed to know say something there. You hear me so? You get something about this girl where I never I still observe her. Make I know where they saw. You get within there that girl body. Where I still there, oh, make I know how they be.
You don't. Even if now via spiritual things and things, nothing still be the thing. Inside that Evia, another Evia day inside. Papa, oh, what can I want to bring bread? The army, man, gidiba. On how you be small boy, lap this bunny enter your bed. Before Bros J create bunny finish, give a hole for leg, you get why? Papa, I believe say the compression like a prison, Abi. Papa, enter your bed, you again.
Exactly, guy. Exactly. Now, what they talk with this? Implement plan B, where this girl dey. If you know if the Jones put up for him body to now, what you do?
I dey tell you, say no plan B for this one. And make I copy you, No be every hoe. As a man, you suppose you know? You don't feel the tangba every hoe where you see. You say this very hoe. This very hoe, now to keep. No, I won't keep that one. I won't keep this one now. Let me tell you. I won't keep this one.
Papa.
I say this one. I won't keep this one. No, I don't want Russia.
Judge Jehovah, Emmanuel, if you dare in spirit, you can understand the voice of Judge Jehovah speaking through me. What I say,
Mona Salome, God has finally done it for me. Hey, Mona Salome, I have a testimony to make. Please come. Hey, Mona Salome, I have a testimony. Oh, look. See, hey, Mona Salome, you remember that day you came to my shop and prayed for me? Yes, now, have you forgotten? You came to my shop and prayed for me now.
Nothing did not happen.
Hey, nothing. Mona Salome, you will not imagine. One boy I've long forgotten came to my shop and gave me a contract. I even told him I don't have anything in my shop to sell. You know my shop was dry. And he said it doesn't matter. He gave me money to supply him everything. Guess how much? He gave me 30 million naira to supply him goods. Hey, I'm so excited, Mona Salome. You will not imagine.
You are the owner of the shop.
I'm the owner now. Now me get the shop. Now me dey here. Now me be the owner. Hey, Mona Salome. See, I don't even know how to thank you. So I made a decision to sow a seed of 100,000 naira to you for thanking God for using you to bless my life. You are a blessing to be short. Hold on, let me do this. Hey!
God use me. Bless her.
Jesus. Salome, God has finally done it. Now see, this is 100,000 naira for you. Hey!
Salome,
what do you do for my friend? Do for me. Stand up. Turn around. Turn around again. He go hard you. Please, Mama. No, nothing can happen. He go hard you. How many boyfriends you get before?
I get 10.
Yeah.
We are gone. Get out of here.
Mama, please.
Get out. Your own no goes. Next person. Go now. I don't go. I said go hard you. I'm not fit. Go hard you. okay. Don't bring like 5,000. Go your shop. My shop is that. Yes. Go bring 5,000. Come. Hey, my brother. You don't already get doomed. They go. Jesus, sister. Now this cap, who give you cap? Who give you the coat and the cap? Now this cap and coat, now cover your destiny. This coat and this your cap cover your destiny. My sister, go change your clothes, come before me and you go get up. Hey, and that's I am.
Just imagine. It's her effort for me. Oh. Wait. How can that indigent girl come to your house just to warn you? To warn you over a man, not just a man, the one that's not even worth it at all.
Who said he doesn't want it? A handsome and sought after man in this village. If there's anybody that should be blamed, it should be that stupid the girl that is throwing herself on a man that doesn't want her. Okay? I hate that girl. Like, I hate that girl. If I'm given a chance to kill her, I'll shoot her. I hate that girl.
I beg, no verse. Why you doing miss him? The way you dey talk, because all the things where you dey talk, now me supposed to dey talk am, I know they talk am. I be get wetin you know for this matter, where you know they tell us.
Whatever.
Make I even ask you now, Festus now be the most handsome man. You no get test to shoe. Hey!
Whatever.
Nothing where Judith the rat poison seller no go see. You see my rat why they groom so? If fresh, fine past that guy. Now you dey give all this accolade, they praise her. You sabi miss yan well. Make we bet and say my rat no better pass that guy. Make we better, make we put money.
Whatever.
Oh, you are this your rat,
whatever. Nothing way Judith the right poison seller no go see for. Nothing one no go hear for this. The way they talk about the guy, I go say na last.
No, this one I best. Anyway, I'm only thankful to God that she didn't die in the process.
Now that one I be my anger. Why I waste my poison? Why I waste time? Now that one I they pepper me. And that girl go tell those police people may they handle me well. This see my body. My body they pain me. Everywhere be like say they carry a rod. Take knock me at back.
But you say
I go still give her back. You see that girl?
Hey, I bet leave her with her problem.
No, she go collect what to
leave her with her problem. So if you touch that girl, she fit die.
But you say, why you go pour hot water on a man that came for a custom visit to see you?
You don't let me see, you don't mad. No, because you know they open it with a talk with the friends. You say if you open your nonsense man, I also change that for you, you don't mad. You don't mad. They don't say me and you not friend. And they talk, you don't put man, you don't talk anyhow.
Just leave her with her problem. Make she dey go. Leave her.
She won't blame me. You don't blame me. Waiting concern you. Be like say you dey eye that guy. You go soon do your show free. Your eye go clear.
But the way they defend this guy, me no understand.
Do you understand? Something there.
No spoil my own. Now hustle I be. Now my own I define. I want better my life. Come rain, come sunshine, I must make them. Maka wata chobanke yobola jomwa. If I play my games, well, Obanyen be fair. By then, nobody go fit intimidate me. If I play my games, well, I say hustler, Obanyen be fair. I say hustler, where I be. I need to play my game well. If I play my games well, Obanyen be fair. Humble and open, or from my pure pium, Obanyen be fair. If I play my games well, Obanyen be fair. Nobody fit intimidate me if my game will enter well. If I play my games well, Obanyen be fair. Judge Jehovah. Emmanuel, if you dare in spirit, you go understand the voice of Jehovah speaking through me. Mother Salome, Onya Dinsa, Onya Mama Jehovah, Emmanuel. Shelly mama. Mother Salome, Rat poison you go see positive results of Judith's rat poison and mixture.
Stop there. Judith, please, I don't want any problems with you.
So after you get 9, can't touch my grandmother. I can't change them for you. You go call Ekene for me. Your power na police. Any small thing you don't call police, Abi? Abi? I dey ask you now whether you get policeman boyfriend. We make you any small thing, you don't go call police.
Judith, you cannot do anything to me because the police have given you a restraining order not to touch me. And if I see you near my man's Festus, you go back to that jail.
Festus, now you dey talk about. See this my rat. His name na Festus. That one where you dey talk na animal, place or thing. I no blame you, never see man before. Now he make you one die put for that guy. Nothing again where you fit tell me. No, maybe man no they ask you out. This one when manage say hello, you don't carry yourself, give am free of charge. Come they fight everybody. You no get sense so. You won't try me. You won't try. You know no sense I dey like this. I know they fear Kelebe. I know they fear police. I don't enter cell tire. I don't even police. Now then they fear me now because they know say me.
You go back to that jail. You go back to that jail. Judith, you go back to that jail. Tell your own. You go back to that jail. Rubbish.
Okay, master. Okay, yellow sky. Ona gaka madu. Okay, mbada. Uchi. Mbadela. Idiot. Onye ogwoka bravo.
Wait and do what?
What has come over you? Why are you creating sin in this place?
What do you mean what have come over me? You know what? I am not entering this vehicle. Let me just order a cab.
Are you for real?
Yes.
How on earth are you going to book a cab when we came out here with our car?
What do you mean? I cannot stand and watch you talk about yourself and yourself alone. Frederick, why are you selfish? Do you even care about me? Do you care about how I feel? The only thing you talk about is yourself! I'm done!
What have I done wrong to you? No, tell me! Spew it out what is eating you up! That I asked you to get married to me. Is that my crime?
I told you that I'm not ready to get married. Is that too much to ask to? Listen, I am tired of hearing all this marriage talk whenever we are trying to have a good time.
It's about my family.
Which family are you talking about? If your family wants you to get married, then they should get married to you instead of trying to instigate you to disturb my peace. What is this nonsense? I'm tired of hearing marriages. No, I'm out of here. Nonsense.
This my heart.
Are you walking out on me for real?
Is seeking for true love, true love. This my heart, you. Is seeking for true love, true love. This my heart is seeking for true love, true love. This my heart, you is seeking for true love, true love. I'm seeking for someone I will walk side by side all the ways again, like soulmate, a lover, oh, a joy giver, heart healer, mother of my unborn children, oh. Judy, on your work, rat poison manufacturer. Abulani Chaloko, keep your environment clean. You go see positive result of Judy's rat poison and the mixture of work. If I play my games well, by then nobody go fit intimidate me. If I play my games well, I say hustler. I say hustler.
Mama, good morning. Mama, they go inside our bed. This thing they smell.
What are you doing?
Mama, now that my right poison. Why I tell you say I want to release by myself. See this thing now, why do I know how much I buy them? If not those people, why they patronize now? I know how much they will give me. Now I go make money for this business. Go inside.
Are you sure of what you are doing?
Oh, Mama, I dey sure. I don't want to make this chemical enter your body. No, they healthy. Go.
Just be careful. Just be careful, eh?
Oh. Mama, go now.
Just be careful.
Mama, go. This rat poison will soon touch you.
Judy, on your work.
Just be careful.
Mama, they go now. You too like talk.
Just be careful.
I will use this one test rat first. If you work well, I will now mix the powdered oil. I know they buy anybody tea again. And I want you.
Judge over if you get the spirit, you go understand the voice of Judge Jehovah speaking through me. Mother Salome, Onya Dinso, Onya Muma Judge.
Hello, what is it? What is going on here? Who let her in here, my friend?
I just saw her here.
Madam, excuse. Who are you?
The Lord sent me to you. Your name is what? Emmanuel. Your name is Frederick. I can hear you, Judge Jehovah. Your name is Frederick, Abi.
How did you get to know my name?
Yeah.
Madam, who are you?
Weird. Frederick. Me, I want to understand something right about now, see? You mean, say, the prophetess woman said all of this?
Michael, you just heard me. She said all of this. But come on, what baffles me the more is that, I mean, how she gets to know about all this? It is still strange to me.
Forget about that. Forget it. You forget say they can walk it. Yes, man. They can walk it. Me good, bad, and the ugly.
No, Mike, I totally disagree with you.
What?
Listen now. You see, in this case, I mean, she was so real. And come to think of this, nobody else knows about this except you and my family members. So tell me, who let the secret out?
Bombo clad boy. Why I say? Tell me, Frederick, why I say no? You want to consider what the prophetess woman said?
No, I believe she's indeed a real woman of God.
Why I say? Bombo clad boy. Why I say no? Frederick, tell me no. Why I say? You want to consider what the prophetess woman said? Me I know. Mona Lisa is not ready for marriage no. But leaving you is something me I know say is not going to happen so soon. So chill, man. You my brother.
Oh,
like a friend.
Hold on. My sister, Dora. Hello, Dora. How are you?
Let me see.
Oh, you just arrived at the airport? All right. I'll catch you up soon. My sister Dora, she just arrived at the airport.
Your little sister?
Yeah, Dora.
Yes, man. Big things are going.
I have to go now.
Cool, man.
Catch you up later.
Cool, man. My regards to her. Tell her, say me will come tomorrow to see her. Yes, sir. Nice one. Big things are going. Yes, sir.
Romanus,
Okay, good afternoon. Welcome.
why are you wearing a long face?
Okay, as you see me here now, hunger they wire me. My belly they do pororo. I never chop things, and I don't try to chop all this agege bread and soft drink. If I don't chop good food, I go catch. I'm thief one con thief here now. I need good food, okay? My belly they do pororo too much.
It's okay. It's okay. I am sorry about that. Things will get better, okay? Things will get better. Where's my sister?
She's there inside.
Help me get this bag inside my vehicle. And later we'll find you some money so you can buy something outside for now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hi. Okay, I'm calling in respect of the hair I saw on your page. See that bone straight, the red one, with 30 inches. I want it. And that Peruvian hair, yes.
My baby.
Babe.
You're looking so ravishing.
Of course, always for you.
Alright.
Yes, the red one. I said
Hey,
the red
brother.
one. That the babe, yes.
Dora.
I want it all.
Oh my goodness, Dora, you're here?
Yes.
When did you arrive?
Not quite long.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
Brother?
Yes?
You really slimmed down. What happened?
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Did you check well?
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah, you did. But don't worry, I'm here now.
Okay, fine. If you say so.
Guess what I'm making? Your favorite of other rice.
You are making?
Yeah?
You mean you are cooking?
Is there anything wrong with that?
Mona Lisa! Mona Lisa!
Babe,
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? My sister just got here not quite long ago. She's supposed to be resting in the room and you allow her to be the one cooking in the kitchen.
Oh, baby. When you walked in, you saw me making a very important call.
What useless call are you talking about? No, tell me, what useless call are you talking about? That you will sit there and allow my kid sister to be the one cooking? Koti demands you assist her in the kitchen. And here you are, telling me you are making call. What useless call are you talking about? This is pathetic. Seriously pathetic. You have every quality in this house, except the quality of a good wife. And it is bad.
What's the meaning of that? What did you say to me? What do you mean by that?
You heard me right. You lack good manners.
No!
Do you know what? Go and learn some manners.
This Mona Lisa girl is a handful. You haven't even gotten married to her yet and she's behaving this way. What if you now get married to her? It will be a war zone. You know what? Go upstairs, freshen up, and before you get down, the dining will be set.
I'm seeking for someone that will walk side by side all the ways. Ogenile, like soulmate, a lover, oh, a joy giver, heart healer.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Bundle of my unborn children. Oh, it's all I want. It's my heart.
Mom, I mean, a lot of things are happening at the same time. I just need some time. Give me some time.
This my heart. Is seeking for true love.
They not say that she won you. Yes. When I speak, I marry you. The Lord said that you should run away from hell. As a mortal man that I am. As a mortal man, I've forgotten that name. What is the name again? The Lord said I should tell you to run away from Mona Lisa. Yes. Anybody that you are calling Mona Lisa.
Enough! Who are you? How did she get here?
I don't know, sir.
The Lord directed me to your house. I saw you last night in my dream. They directed me. They brought me here. An angel of the Lord that just led me to your doorstep. And the angel just vanished.
Madam, okay, please. How did you get to know my name and that of my fiancée, Mona Lisa?
That's the name. They say you should not call that name again. Anything Mona Lisa, avoid it. That girl is going to be your downfall. You see this your two Akpobi chest. When that girl is done with you, this your Akpobi will fall like flat breast. If she's done with you, this your yellow papa nature will turn to black papa. It better you hold your something down, no, and avoid any girl. Any girl they are calling Mona Lisa before the sir. Run for your life, oh! They are dangerous. They are dangerous. They are dangerous.
I mean, how did you get to know about all these things you're telling me?
I am a woman of
Madam.
If you want to know more about me, here's my number. You can call me. Let's keep the number. In this your Akpobi. This is my number.
If you dare in spirit, you can understand the voice of Jehovah speaking through me. Mother Salome, on your dinso, on your mama Jehovah, Emmanuel. Shelly mama, Shelly mama, Shelly mama.
Open the gate. Oh.
Mother Salome,
I'll be careful.
My heart, Obimo, is seeking for true love, true love. This my heart, yo, Obimo. If you dare in spirit, you go understand the voice of Jehovah speaking through me. Mother Salome, on your dinso. Onyamuma Jehovah, Emmanuel. Shelly mama, Shelly mama, Shelly mama. Mother Salome,
Big Lord, the Lord said I should tell you. He said I should tell your friend Frederick that if he goes back to his ex-girlfriend, he will die.
God forbid that. My friend can die. He's my friend like a brother. Why you say?
Aya! You don't bring my match from you. Aya! Nitagwa Bombo class. I have told you what I want to tell you now. Your friend, if your friend go back to his ex, he go die. Bombo class. Nitagwa.
Me no understand why you say. What a blood clot. What you say right now? What you say right now? Say my friend would die. A big lie.
No blood clots for you. Nitagwa.
This woman again. This woman don't come to your guy before now.
Understand what she said?
Mambo class, you devil, you agent of darkness, fire. Agamaike Mambo class. That your friend. If he not give his life to Christ, leave that Mona Lisa. If he go back to his vomit, he will die.